Good morning, grade 8th. How are you? So today we will do chapter number 3, exercise number 5, 6, 7, and this much we will do. So see the first exercise number 5. The first question is we have to tell the timings, and the timing is given. Question number 5 is 2:23. So the first one is ile. 2 we call the. Okay, so you know the. And R for timings, and 1 twa is used for 23. So it's all are. So see the B part. Il est 3 it's 3 o'clock. 45. Okay, 45. Okay. Then C part. Il est 6 a quart. Quart we use for quarterly. Okay, for 15. Okay, and dummy. A word will come. If then I will tell. I'm telling DEMI. Dummy use for half, like 30. Okay. So il est minuit. Okay, it's at 12 o'clock, like night 12 o'clock. Okay. So E part. Il est 9 de la nuit. Okay, like it's PM is given, so then we will say nuit. And if afternoon is there, like then we will say après midi. You use for afternoon. Okay. And if timing will be same, only we have to tell like the timing is for this is for night, this is afternoon, this one is for morning. So these are a du mata is morning. Okay. Then I part. Il est 14 quart. Okay. Okay, so 3 quart, it means 14 hour. 14 is 14 and 3 quart it's 45. Wait, wait. It is 3/4 14. So it is this one. Il est 14 we use for 14. R and 3 quart is quarters 14. Okay. So it is there. It is 3/4 14. Then je part. Il est 7 du soir. Okay, it's a 7:40 du soir is for evening. Then this is exercise number 6. Pose la question. Okay, you have to make answers are given. You have to make the questions. So interrogative form. So see the first one. Elle a 12 ans. See your book. It's given. Answer is given. Elle a 12 ans. Okay, she's 12-year-old. So the question is, elle a quel âge? How old is she? Elle a quel âge? Quel this word we use for what and which. Okay. That's pourquoi. Pourquoi is why and what. So pourquoi elle va chez la médecin. So okay, then parce que elle est malade. Okay, see your book 6th B part. Parce que elle est malade. Okay, because she is ill. So why she go to doctor. So pourquoi elle va chez la médecin. Why she is going to doctor. Right. This is your 6th B part. Then C part. Elle préfère la grande voiture. Okay. Elle préfère quoi? What she prefer? Okay. What does she prefer? So D part. Il vient a quelle heure? What time does he come? So il vient à quelle heure? This is the, and it is given in your book. It is given il vient 7 heures. Okay. So next part. Tu rentres avec qui? You are coming home with whom? Okay. Or you are coming with whom? Okay. So this is quoi? Okay. Qui. Sorry. This is qui. F part. Il y a combien de stylos dans ta trousse? Trousse is your kit. Stylo is a pen. Okay. Il y a is there. There are how many pens in your kit? Okay. G part. Elle aime quoi? What does she like? Okay. Elle aime quoi? And then see your book. If you see the book, G part. Elle aime les fleurs. Okay. She like flowers. Okay, so your book, G part, 6th G part, elle aime les fleurs. Okay, so you just check once. And then H part is tu viens de où? Okay, tu viens de où? Where do you come from? Okay, où we use for where. Okay, viens is to come. I part, comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous is how are you? Then J part, elle va où? Where she go? Elle va où? Où used for where, va is the aller verb is to go, and she, L is she. K part, qui est? Who is this? And J, qu'est-ce que c'est is what is this? Okay, so this is your exercise number 6. And then exercise 7 till 7 we will do. And see the first one. We have to see the word after the blank. A word is given dash question positive. Okay, what questions are you asking? Okay, this is a plural form, so that's why s will come ending. Okay, so this is adjective interrogatives. Okay, and meaning is all these meaning is which and what. Okay, that second B part. And dash glance aimez-vous. Okay, then quel glance is ice cream, it's a feminine form. Okay, so GLAC glance. So and aimez-vous is aim is to like. Okay, like which ice cream likes you. So C part, dash livre achetez-vous? Quel livre, which book you buy? Okay, achete is to buy. ACHETEZ, a word is given, so it means to buy. Okay, then livre is a book, LIVRE. Okay, see the D part, it's a quel, tu as quel âge? Quel, it's âge is a masculine form here, so tu as quel âge? What is your age? Okay, tu as quel âge? The E part, quelle est votre nationalité? Nationality is nationality. Okay, what is your nationality? Fine. Nationality is a feminine form, so that's why QUELLE will come. Okay. Then F part, quels sont tes romans favorites? Okay, like which is your favorite Roman? Okay. So G part, and quel acteur aimes-tu? Which actor you like? Okay. H part, quelle est profession de ton cousin? Okay, which profession is your cousin? So this is your exercise number 7. So I'm telling you these all, like this one used for masculine, this one used for masculine words, this one used for feminine. Okay, and this one feminine, and this one is used for masculine plural. Okay, again I'm telling you this one, wait, this one QUEL, this is used for masculine QUELS, this is used for masculine plural. This QUELLE, this is used for feminine. And QUELLES, this is used for feminine plural. Okay, so please complete this and do practice of these all. Okay, and this much we will do till exercise 7. So thank you, take care and complete your work.